what's up, you guys? I got this slime that I got from someone at school today as a present. So, yeah. And when I opened it, it came with this little bucket with these two charms. So we're gonna put the charms on. So this one's like one of those seashells.
Big thanks to everyone that supported us. There's still stuff on the website,
And
so
then
if you guys are
the
watching
second
these
one is
videos in between merch drops, go check that out.
First, I'm just gonna fly. Oh, this is what the slime looks like. It's purple with like blue sparkles and it has seashells. Run, Rudolph!
Alright, so we haven't shown this yet, but the past couple weekends we've been messing around playing in the woods, and we made kind of like this natural single track that goes pretty much through the entire property of woods. It's nothing too intense. We haven't gotten into machinery back here yet. That's the plan eventually.
So we're gonna flatten it out. You guys should see its hooks. This thing's got some pretty big things. Okay. Anyway, so I'm just gonna flatten this out, and then we're gonna put just like that. And then we're gonna put this.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna make it to where you guys can. Yeah. It's like, there we go. And then I'm just gonna. And I'm not gonna turn into some slime channel. If you guys. Oh no.
I'm a big butt.
Sophia, I'm filming a video, so don't say that. I'm filming a video.
Oh, for what?
My YouTube channel?
Ew! What? Huh?
They're in the neighborhood.
Who are?
Okay, Santa Claus is coming! Here's our tree, it slides.
What kind of ice cream is?
Bro.
No.
Oh my god, imagine we pass out.
Imagine we just go up.
What's up? Hi!
Give it back! Tell we're gonna try caramel from her.
You can't do it.
We can! Touchdown!
Okay, oh my god! Let's go. I forgot they were coming.
Hi. Oh my god! Who's cooking? Dad! Guys, we have to act like NPCs when he comes.
What does that mean?
Like a video game.
Oh!
Walk. So this is how you walk. This is how you run. This is how you jump. Okay, wait, come on.
Wait, how do I jump again?
NPCs have phones. Sophia. Wave. Sophia, some NPCs have phones. Yeah. So you're gonna have a phone? Yes. Whoa.
My bad habits lead to. Sophia, which bad habits do you prefer? Ed Sheeran or Steve Lacy?
Steve Lacy.
Slay. If you prefer Ed Sheeran, get out of here.
6,
7. Slay. Oh. Oh my god, slay. I see some light. Let's go. Oh, it's just. Ah! Are they coming or not?
Yeah, just give them a couple minutes, like a minute or something.
Look at me or something.
It's a helicopter too.
Slay.
The flashlight is on, dude. Oh, yeah. He's that big guy. I'm that big. I'm not sure about it, but I'm not. Yeah, that big fat guy. Nick Ricardo? Yeah, that guy. Bro, he's like, can you bring me some McDonald's, please?
Yeah, we're kind of hungry. Like, no, I want Miguel's. Shoom! Not the airplane. Bro, I'm filming a YouTube video.
Hey, shut up, homeboy. I'm gonna be standing on you.
It's a mystery, don't. I'm filming a video. Don't want you guys seeing their license plate. I don't want you guys to see their license plate.
No, you're not gonna. What are you doing? Stop!
Anyway.
No, stop! Give me my phone. You're not gonna act like this.
Okay. I'm gonna play with this slime for a bit. Oh my god, it got flooded out.
Alright, the water is approximately 33 degrees. So I'm gonna try that ball.
Oh god.
Really thin and some of it's really thick.
We're gonna put it back in the jar.
And the thick stuff. This is so satisfying, yet kind of painful the whole time.
Look at this. It's like going up on it and then breaking.
Okay.
This cannot be good.
So we're breaking through the ice to an area right here. All this ice is so weird.
I'm gonna get a jacket on and then you can go back
I
outside.
don't know, it looks like honeycomb ice.
But I have to get a jacket or else I'll freeze to death. You don't want that. Okay, I gotta hurry and put my jacket on. We're just gonna put on my... Oh. I'm gonna put you down right there. These are all from when I was a kid. In case if you were wondering. Okay, now I won't freeze to death outside. Okay.
Now it's gonna be your head.
Slay!
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I said stop talking to me, bro. Stop
Okay.
talking to me. Wait, do you edit your videos?
No. I don't know how to.
Oh, you got that one? Ow, my eyeball. Yes.
Don't tell me to use CapCut because I tried using CapCut and it doesn't work.
No, I wasn't. No, because I was asking because I want to watch one of your videos that I was in.
Couldn't find myself in it.
Yo, shut up over there. Yo, shut up.
Bro, that's rude. Oh my god! Oh no. Are you serious right now, bro?
Oh, he's filming it.
Hey, maybe it's our Christmas present, so maybe you should be grateful.
Wait, actually, I hope it's my Stanley Cup. I still know.
Slay.
Your Stanley Cup already came. Where is it? I don't know. Wait, it's in the box. What? No, it did not. Where is it? That's that.
Rum, rum, Rudolph, feeling like a merry-go-round.
Do you like? What's your friends from my?
What do you do to the elves? Oh my god, they.
Clean them up.
Okay, so they were on vacation, but whatever. Oh,
I need them to see their dad.
you mean Santa?
Their brother. Got him. Dimitri, I got the elves. Yeah.
They got to see their dad.
Yeah, true. These are my best friends.
What's up, dude? Wait, who was that, Jackson? Oh, dang. She's
This is my
slay.
best friend. So Dimitri, you know how I said that only people who are older than 11 could talk to the elf? Well, they can actually hold the elf too. So, you want to hold this one? Squeeze it, please. Yes. Not too hard, because you might suffocate him.
Wait, what if it was 9 and older?
What about 7 and older?
No.
Hey guys,
Shut up.
should I drop it?
No. Shut up. Dang.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! I'm about to throw hands!
Why are you being rude to my subscribers like that? Like, I actually got subscribers if you didn't know.
Yeah, they're all my friends from school. I told them make fun of you.
Oh, dang. Well, I don't get any comments about that, so take that.
They're gonna say hi to Santa.
What? What?
It's okay. Why didn't I touch them? No, it's. I'm sorry. No, it's okay. If you touch him, he can still fly. But like,
It'll
it's
just
a-
be harder
no,
for him to.
If you like actually hold him, like if you're under 11 years old, if you're 10 or younger, and you touch him, then with like your hands. Yeah, but like if you're under 10 years old and you're like actually like holding him like for a long time. Like you. Yeah, like me. But if you're younger, like you're a baby, drop him. You gotta see someone.
Run, run, Rudolph. Feeling like a merry-go-round.
No.
Sophia, you ready? You ready? Run, run, Rudolph. I'm feeling like a merry-go-round.
Here, you know what? Dimitri,
Slay.
I wanna go.
Period up, period up, period up, period up.
No, you're allowed to hold it. He said.
Hello! He's coming! Oh my god, I hear him! Oh my god. They're coming from that way.
Tongues out.
Who is that? Oh my god, Angel, bro. Bro, is Angel serious?
Here,
What?
I got you a Christmas present.
Oh, they're coming from.
I got you a present. I know it's only like from the cabinet.
I'm sorry, just let me laugh. Oh my god.
Santa's coming. I'm gonna throw him.
Santa Claus is coming to town!
Oh,
Ow.
you're gonna take your phone. Oh, I scratched you.
Oh my god.
Can you let me grab it, please?
Right. Oh my god.
Let me run with it.
No. I don't trust you holding my phone with. Bro, I don't trust.
Can you hold these?
Should I trust you holding my phone with a pair of tongs?
Hold these.
Dang. Merry
You
Christmas.
can go put that back. They'll be
Merry
fucking with it.
Christmas.
With what? No, he's going to say. They're going to say hi to Santa.
What you watching? TikTok.
Mhm.
Nice.
Don't film me, dude.
Ow. Totally didn't pinch myself.
I love Santa. I love Santa. Stop looking at my fat belly.
Oh.
My stop looking at my toes.
You guys have nice toes. Oh, Slay. I was only
yoga.
recording you for the toes. Like Slay. Those toes Slay.
Crapola.
I'm totally fine. Totally. Run, Rudolph! I'm feeling like a merry-go-round. Bro.
So cool. I went in the street, guys.
Oh my
I
god!
went in the street.
Oh my god, I'm in the street. I'm so cool.
How about he just hangs out here for a little?
Slay.
I'm gonna hang him like that. Look at the elf, guys. How adorable is DeMarcus?
Oh.
Come over here. Actually, come here. Come here. I put him on the mailbox.
Oh my god, Slay. Oh, okay.
That was necessary, though.
Black, do
I
you want
always like putting him crisscross apples. You just scratched me.
to?
Hey guys! Say know.
Wait, I thought you weren't allowed to
Do you
hold
believe
him.
in Santa? Can you put the camera on me when I talk?
No.
Do you believe in Santa?
Oh wow, this road's so pretty.
I believe. Stop. When I talk, put it on me.
Okay.
I believe in Santa.
The
What?
road's so.
Look at that!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Dimitri did it. He made the lights jiggle.
Yeah, because he's fat.
Take that. What's up?
They were down here.
Take. Period.
I'm gonna kill myself. Yeah. I just.
Slide! Slice out, sister! Slice, sister, mister!
You wanna hold it?
No.
Dimitri be like,
So adorable.
can't.
I'm like a man.
I think I got my address in.
Wow, how cute! Adore.
We're not gonna record Dimitri because of what he's doing.
Wait,
Wait, if you guys get to hold them, I get to hold them.
shut up, because you're recording us, and okay, not like that. Wait, what? Wait, Dimitri, put him on your shoulder. I'm gonna put him around my shoulder.
He wants to hold the tongs. You hold these.
No, I want to hold Elsie. Wait, every 10 minutes we have to ask him if, he just needs to sprinkle some elf dust in your hands, please. Can you hold out your hands so that you can still hear him?
Could
Okay, you
I?
ready? No, not you. Okay, we did a lot so that you could hold him for long. Yeah! Hey, ready? Are you fun? Let's go on! How cute. Kids are so amazing, guys. I recommend having zero. Look at me when I talk!
Okay, go ahead. Talk. It's looking at you. Okay.
I'm
There.
gonna actually go kill myself. I'm gonna hang myself with these lights.
Oh my god, don't even, like, you slay. But you're too short to reach.
Shut up! Look at this. Did you guys see that? I touched it. I touched it.
Hi! Hi! Hi!
What if my crush was in that car?
Wait, you got a crush?
No. I would. No,
Oh my god, that's
say
good.
Ah,
Hi!
I think I lost my phone.
Oh, Sophie said she got a crush.
No, I
Quit
didn't.
fucking
I
filming
said,
me.
what if
Okay.
people from my school were in the car and you're yelling at the car, embarrassing me?
Good. Look, it's actually looking at you. Talk.
I'm actually gonna. No, I know the camera slipped.
No, it's not. Look.
Hey! Hey! You act like an NPC right now. He's doing a leg hold and I didn't even make him do it. I don't care!
Oh my
You
god.
have to
Slay.
or else Sarah's gonna be like, why are you touching my best friend?
Over here.
Why are you touching his bestie bucket? Holy moly.
I don't even believe it's Santa!
Girl, you said you did.
Stop, I'm gonna cry.
Oh my god! I'll lock hippopotamuses and hippopotamuses like me. I only like hippopotamuses and hippopotamuses like me. Oh my god!
Wait, get this in the background? I don't believe in Santa. I don't believe in Santa, guys.
Should I throw it at the fire truck?
No. Give me one.
What's up?
Oh, why? Oh, because you don't like mint, Daddy.
Is that you, Bella?
No.
Who's that? You told me that was Bella.
Hey, I have a confession.
Hey,
I
I
don't
want to throw this
believe in
across the
Santa.
street.
Did
I slay. Slay, 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 slay. Is that it? Is that
I
it?
didn't put my mouth on that I gave you, but this one I did. Yeah, that's it.
I threw mine across the street.
Why?
Don't ask questions.
Oh, there's another one. What the? Oh, never mind. That's okay.
Slay.
So.
Dad, is that it?
That's it.
Nice.
Come on, buddy. Let's go. My expensive.
Okay. I feel like I always get the good angles when I don't need them. Okay, this angle slays.
You look? Yeah, that's it. Okay. On my first day of Christmas, I pooped myself in my pants. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where did I put my water bottle?
That'll make you go pee. Oh no 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 no.
Hey, that? You last year? They
Get the
gave out-
slime out.
Last year they gave out candy canes. Last year.
Don't be ungrateful.
Last year they gave out.
I love that we were worried about it, and then I think I did it, and we were like, it's fine, and now we're all just cruising over the ice.
They're not that fancy.
Keep doing anything.
They're actually not really easy at all.
Hours on it. This is how you do it.
This is the definition of just get the first scratch out of the way. We cared a lot about them at the beginning, and then it just slowly diminished. It's just more fun that way. That's how thick the ice is. Thicker than you would think, actually. Dude, it's sharp. It's super sharp.
That's what scares me when you jet ski tipped in the eye.
Same.
You wiped out. That'd be like worse than falling for a second. Jet ski's being underpowered. I'm very impressed.
You don't like it?
Buffer boats has started.
Hey, that was fun to get the. Hey, let's see. Did you do that? I wanna hold the.
Ice junk inside.
Okay. Wait, what? Let's see. I wanna hold the. Yeah.
Turn that down.
Dude, it was that dirty.
Bro, turn it down still. It's loud.
Guess what? Nobody cares.
I do.
It's such a Ryan thing. Ryan, I actually don't know what you're gonna do there, bud.
I think Ryan might be spending 24 hours on his jet ski.
The big guy like the. Oh my. Why are you so sorry? It's sad.
You sure? Okay, anyway.
Hey, so that guy that was standing over here, the guy over there, he's
There
like
we go,
an
now you
expert
can see it.
jet ski guy. He's a
Let's
tough jet
actually
ski,
put
knows
it.
pretty much everything about him. I pulled the first thing he says, "Pro, that impeller."
Let's put it right
is-"
there.
And I just go, "How much does a new impeller cost?" I said $400, which is more I want to spend, but it's not the end of the world.
You've never been quite this numb.
So is there? They're completely fine. There's like a couple of little scratches.
Well, this is what
The impellers, everything's fine.
You put ice in a blender. It actually put ice in your garbage disposal and sharpens it.
It does.
They're even faster than they were 10 minutes ago.
Oh my gosh. We're geniuses. Hour and 30 minutes on it. So they're broken in. They're fully broken in. They're like a 10-year-old machine now. I saw this thing on the internet the other day.
Oh,
I want to try it
yeah,
out. Basically,
basketball
you
glue like.
throw it up in the air and it hits the ground.
No, that just ruined my angle.
So we're testing it.
There we go.
You look like
Let's hope that doesn't fall on.
I know, that's what the lady said. It's pretty cool that you're buying all these balls for these kids. And I was like, thanks.
No, let's put it.
So this is the thing I don't really know.
No.
If you overplay basketball, in like throw it up in the air and it hits the ground,
I already
it'll
saw this
explode
video.
crazy loud. So we're testing the theory today.
Jeez, you look like a basketball coach.
I know, that's what the lady said. She goes, it's pretty cool that you're buying all these balls for these kids. And I was like, thanks.
How much should we put in this?
So this is the thing, I don't really know.
I'm gonna step back.
I think you gotta overinflate the shit out of it.
Oh my god. No. They said a bad word. Now I can't post this. Or should I? I guess it'll be fine.
It's on.
Yeah.
It should be good. I guess that's it. Oh, here's a candy cane.
Sorry, I'm laughing at myself.
Just kidding. This is mine.
That Gosford hit me in the leg. Oh, that's sketchy. I don't even know where the ball went.
I am so glad the truckie's guarding my car. Some things get less stressful the more you do it. This is getting more stressful.
Maybe you can have this part. Psych. Man. Okay. How do I end this? Bye.